In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Pocket AI trading app to the latest version. By updating this Pocket AI trading app to the latest version, you'll be able to use the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues or errors that might be associated with your app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, now for us to update this app, you need to search for the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store here, and then from Google Play Store, I'll log in with my Gmail account before I can search for the app. So I just search for Pocket AI Trading or just AI Trading like that, and if I tap on it, you can see we have Pocket AI Trading app as among the top list, and I have it installed. So if I tap on this, now you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Pocket AI Trading app. To update, tap on update, and this will download the latest version of Pocket AI Trading app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once this has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open here to start using the latest version of Pocket AI Trading app. So that's how you can achieve this. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.